You hate it, you love it, it doesn't matter. The market doesn't care about your feelings and your thoughts. Solana is on the move. We all know Solana. Solana number 7th in coin market cap, number 8th in volume. Almost all the supply is outside and it's just moving in the past couple of days. It actually moved before the market moved, so that is quite impressive. Solana, just a great coin to have on your list and to understand why it's moving to the upside and why it can move to the downside. Doesn't matter, you should trade it either way. And just to show you that I actually walk the walk and don't just talk the talk, here is the chart from our community. As you can see over here, from the 19th of October, I told the community to take the trade above the 2470 area, the blue line, of course, with the stop, and since then it has been blasting, and I will explain to you why. Welcome back to the Jomo Crypto Trading channel, where we talk all things crypto trading. We just love trading, we love making money, and if you're not loving trading and making money right now, something is seriously wrong with your process and your mental capacity about trading. Maybe you don't understand what trading is all about, and that is perfectly fine. Why? Because that's why I'm here to show you. This is Solana, and as I told you, we had an entry above these areas, which is the 2470-ish area. We took the trade, and since then, as you can see, it's moving in earnest already above 25, almost touched 30% for 1 second, and moving forward, continuing. All right, why did we have Solana on our watch list? Well, besides the obvious, which is Solana is one of those coins everyone is kind of hating, and I love to watch coins people are hating. Why? Because if people hate a coin, that means they won't want to buy it in the beginning, all right? They will be hesitant to buy it because they think badly about it. But when it moves, it will start moving big time. Why? Because first of all, a lot of short squeeze will be started to cover the shorts, right? So a short squeeze will happen, and on the top of that, so by the way, that's a buying pressure. And on the top of that, people will start forming into it and it will start moving. The first time we started looking at Solana was way back in the beginning of the year. We actually traded this. We traded it from over here all the way over here, 60-something%. And then we had a look, we looked at Solana all the time, right? Now you can see that Solana is above the 200-day moving average, right? And on the red line, and the blue line is 150 is just crossing above it right now. That's a cross where it means momentum is coming in. And of course, what we had over here is a beautiful pivot for Solana for us to get into the trade. Now, if you don't know what a pivot is, you can join our community. As I told you, we have a community. You can click on the link in the description. It will take you to the community, or you can just like, subscribe, and put that bell notification for the algorithm to make sure that you follow me and the videos that I give you. Because I will tell you one thing, if you're not making money now, you won't make money ever, only maybe in a raging bull market, because in a raging bull market, everyone makes money, but most people don't keep it. Are you one of those people that made money in the last bull market of 2020 and 2021, but lost the majority of it back? Maybe even then some. Maybe you're in a loss of your initial capital. I don't know. Whatever it is, you need to subscribe to the channel or join the community, because we know how to not only compensate the time, meaning we don't have opportunity lost because of time, effort, being hodling and whatever on something that is not moving, but we know how to make money now consistently each month, all right, month after month, and as well keeping our profits, all right? So as I told you, we had a beautiful trade, then we had a long ass base, right? This is called a base. We had a kind of a fake out to the upside over here. This was a trade if you took it perfectly fine, but now something else is happening. This was the last pivot. This was the last contraction, all right? I love to see volatility contraction, and as you can see, if we measure from here to here, there was around a 45% from peak to trough, right? From peak to trough, let me just draw it down for you. From this peak to this trough, 45%. But then we had, all right, in that pivot, which I told you, from peak to trough, we had another, let's measure it, another 15%. And lastly, we had a couple of days which created the last piece of the contraction, or the last piece of the pivot, which was only from peak to trough 7%, which is a low risk entry. What do I mean is that if you got in here like us and you added a stop below this low of the candle, right? You had only 7% risk. If you got stopped out, you lost 7% on the trade. But as you can see, the risk is more than paying off, right? The risk is more than paying off. 7% to 30%, that's already 4 times the risk. You are paying 4 times the risk on this trade, okay? Look, everyone, I know sometimes it's hard to grasp everything that I'm saying, volatility contraction, VCP, uptrend, movements, whatever, but that's because you are not really following my lead. All right, now I suggest, if you're serious about making money in crypto, and you need to position yourself now, because now is the beginning of the next bull market. All right, I'm not saying that now we're going to go all the way new highs in BTC and whatever. I'm saying that right now you need to start positioning your knowledge, you need to start positioning your profits and your consistency month after month, understanding how to utilize these trades, utilize the markets in your favor. We have an edge in our market, as I've shown you in the charts. As I have shown you, we took Solana at the 24, almost 25, and now it's at 31.60, almost 32 and counting. We are making money. This is from the community. Just click on the link in the description. It will take you to our community, all right? And you will be able to just choose this Jomo's Trade Club. This is the community. Join for free to get email list and whatever, okay? You don't get nothing in it. You just get into a mailing list, and then you can choose one of the tiers. You want to just see how the trades, get signals, get daily market updates. Choose the alpha trader if you want to really invest in yourself and get ahead, all right? A head start on everyone. You want to go hand by hand with me, choose the super trader, right? If you want even deeper hand by hand, weekly, almost daily calls, if you want to go with the VIP trader. I have a lot of people in the VIP, a lot of people in the super trader, many people on the alpha trader. It doesn't matter to me. Take whatever you want. Start with the alpha trader, go to super trader. Start with super trader, go to alpha trader. It doesn't matter. Invest in yourself in order to make big bucks. And if you don't believe me, go to my Twitter. You can see that I post regularly over there about my feelings, about my thoughts, and about people that are in the community and are having a lot of success. Don't wait on the sidelines. Come into the group, make money now. Cheers, everybody. Remember, stay tight, and I'll see you until next time. No edge, no trade.